As you can see, right now I'm up to my elbows in strawberries, so I need to make jam. I have jars washed already, draining over here, and so the first thing I'm going to do is cut the caps off the strawberries and put them into the strainer in the sink so I can wash them. And on the stove, I've got the boiling water bath started already. And I have some sugar already measured up. The recipe I'll use for my strawberry jam is 5 and 7. 5 cups of the prepared fruit and 7 cups of sugar. And I am using pectin, and I'll use a ½ teaspoon of butter in each batch to keep from foaming, keep the foaming down. In case you're wondering where I got these beautiful strawberries, they're Louisiana strawberries from Ponchatoula, which is famous for strawberries in this area. The next step is I'm going to put them into this bowl. It's not doing too much, but I'm going to go ahead and measure this because I'll be mashing again as these are cooking. So I have my stainless steel Dutch oven here. Okay, so that's 5, but I need to get my jars started sterilizing. And into this first batch of strawberries, I'm going to add my 4 tablespoons of pectin. I use the bulk pectin from nuts.com. I'm going to put these on the stove. So I put my strawberries with the pectin in on the stove over a low heat till the juice starts cooking out of the strawberries. I'm going to put a ½ teaspoon of butter into the strawberries so that it'll keep the amount of foam down. And I'm going to go ahead and try to mash some more. Okay, so I'm going to turn the burner up a little bit lower so that I can bring the strawberries up to a boil. At this point, I need to be real careful because the fruit will burn easily. And I need to get a pot of water boiling for the lid. All right. Strawberries are at a full rolling boil. So I'm going to add the sugar, which I've pre-measured. We're waiting for the strawberries to come back to a boil. I'm going to go ahead and put the lids in the water and just reduce the heat. I went ahead and washed ahead of time all the lids that I'll need today for the multiple batches that I'm doing. We're back to a full rolling boil. I'm going to reduce the heat just enough to keep it from boiling over. I think I reduced it too much. But we need to let it boil for 1 minute. I usually let it boil for about 2 minutes. But the recipes all say just 1 minute. Alright, it's been 2 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and start putting the jam into the jars. So with a clean, wet cloth, I'm going to wipe off the rims and the threads in the jars. I need to make a few more adjustments. I've got a couple of them too full. I need to leave at least a half-inch headspace. Got to turn the fire off. I can't work with it when it's so hot. Turn the boiling water bath back up on high. it gets going again. Now, as soon as that comes back up to a full rolling boil, I'll go ahead and set the timer for 10 minutes. That's what we have to do for jam. It's 5 minutes for jelly and 10 minutes for jam. Okay, so it's back up to a boil. So I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. The alarm just went off. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, it looks lovely. It looks lovely. Now, because my strawberries are rising to the top, about every 10 minutes, I'm going to turn, for the next hour, I'm going to turn the jars upside down. Turn them the opposite direction from what they're sitting. We'll let these jars sit for about 24 hours. So tomorrow we'll open one up and see how it tastes. The result of my jam making yesterday was 24 jars of strawberry jam. Okay, so we're ready for the jam test. Now, we do have a firm set. So the amount of pectin that we used was good. So it spreads well, and it's really pretty. Gotta get me some more going on here. Gonna cut this in half. And here we go. That's very good jam. Very good jam. So if you found this video helpful, please like and share. And thanks for stopping by.